What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HYMC ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you that we hit first range, the upper range of Golden Pocket. It is a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement range at the price point of $1.28. And I marked these ranges by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and we have these levels. As you can see, we hit the Golden Pocket range, went slightly below this level. Had a bounce, very good bounce from the 200 exponential moving average and bounce back with increasing volume. Definitely this breakout below the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level might be a false breakout, and from this range we might hit higher targets. I have to say that from the technical standpoint, this asset holds this range very well, and I have to say that for now we have more chances to hit higher targets with this asset in foreseeable future. But let me show you some fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. First of all, let me pay your attention on their official website, and I have to say that their website is very detailed and it has a bunch of useful information. And I want to pay your attention for now on this recent press release. It was published on March 25th and it says, Hycroft completes $138.6 million at the market equity offering program. Balance sheet strengthened with $194.4 million in gross proceeds from recent equity investments. And let me quote you Diane Garrett. She's a president, CEO and acting chairman of Hycroft. And she commented, "We are extremely pleased with the successful financing, which places the company on solid footing to advance the Hycroft mine, as well as opening up additional opportunities for the company. Thanks to the significant and timely equity private placement announced March 15, 2022 with Eric Sprott and AMC Entertainment Incorporation, combined with the ATM equity program completed today, our financial position is significantly strengthened, allowing us to reduce our debt and extend repayment to 2027. Rising gross cash proceeds of $194.4 million changes the dynamics of the company, expanding our ability to properly and diligently develop the Hycroft mine, including a robust exploration program, and to further unlock the value of this world-class asset. We welcome our new shareholders to the company and look forward to updating you with ongoing developments. And definitely, almost $200 million for this type of company might be a game changer, because they reduce its debt, they extend the repayment period to 2027, and they have more than 5 years to operate without any problems. And definitely, with their extremely lucrative mining property, this company becomes more attractive for the investors. And let me show you this article that I showed you several times, and it was published on March 16th, and it is basically the summary of this company. And let me quote you that this company has a huge exploration potential with over 70,000 acres. And their current deposit is just a fraction of their land holdings. As you can see, this is their current deposit and this is their entire property. Definitely they have a huge potential. On top of that, the Hycroft deposit is fully permitted. And let me pay your attention on this paragraph. Permitting a massive resource like this is expensive and can take decades start to finish. They already have a very good infrastructure. And one of the risks recently was this one. High debt and low cash mean they need to raise money. And for now, this risk is eliminated. And this means this company becomes more and more attractive for the investors. So, and let me show you right here on their official website, on this left column, you can find the recent press release, the recent presentations, and the recent technical report summary. Let me show you their recent presentation, and it has 43 pages in it, and it is very detailed document that was published in February 2022, and it is very useful from the investor standpoint if you want to know more about this company. It is very detailed. But if you want to know more technical information, right here you can find technical report summary of initial assessment on the Hycroft mine. And this document is more technical document, and it has a lot of useful information from the technical standpoint of their activity, and it has 204 pages. So if you want to know more about this company, right here on this left column you can find these documents, and definitely it is a huge competitive advantage because other companies don't want to publicly disclose this information. So, and let me show you the support from retail community. Right here on the stocktweets.com website, on the watcher section, HYMC is on the first place, and on the most active section it is on the third place. Definitely this asset still has a lot of support from retail community. On top of this one, let me show you apewisdom.io. This website tracks the activity on Wall Street Bets community. And Hycroft Mining is on the 18th place, and it gained about 50 rows during last 24 hours period. This means this asset has a very good support from retail community, but this support is not the long-term catalyst. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the bigger picture, and if I switch to 4 hours time frame, we have this movement to the downside from its recent peak in August 2020. And definitely, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this very bottom, as you can see, we have a very good range of $3.98, pretty much $4 mark. It is a 0.236 level. First range of resistance for the retracement if we pull this tool. And I have to say that in a worst case scenario, let me switch to hourly time frame again. In the worst case scenario, we might have this movement to the upside as our A wave. This might be our B wave, and we have to land the top of our C wave. And the most probable range of the extension in the C wave compared to A wave is 1 to 1. And to measure this wave, we have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool. It is right here, as you can see, or on your left side. Right here, trend-based fib extension. And we have to pull it from the very bottom to the very top and to the bottom of the retracement. And the most probable range is 1 to 1, and it is right here at $3.96. And definitely it is confluence with the 0.236 range that I mentioned just a couple of minutes ago. And this is the worst case scenario. But the best case scenario is that we might have this as our lowest point so far, and it is not the retracement, it is the beginning of next movement to the upside. And in this case, we might have, let me show you right here, we might have these 5 waves is only one wave on a greater scale. This is the second wave, and we have to land the top of our third wave, then we have to have a retracement, and we have to land the top of our 5th wave to complete the entire wave. And the most probable range of the top of the third wave is 1.618, and it is a $5.61 price point. It is a very common ratio in between first and third waves, and definitely this is our secondary target right after the $3.96 price point. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, you have to do your own due diligence first of all, and if you decide that this company is worth your attention from the investor standpoint, just accumulate your position right here, because the golden pocket range is a very good technical point where you can add to your position, because from this level we have more chances, about 65 to 70% chances to hit higher targets. And if it is the case, the upside potential for this asset is really massive. We might have up to 174% to our first target and more than 280% to our second target. And the downside potential is not so significant because you have to accumulate your position all the way down on every daily red candle, and this will give you even more attractive average price, and this will lead to much higher potential profits. But if you want to catch the trade, in my opinion, you have to be very cautious, and let me zoom in a little bit. Let me show you that right here. You can accumulate your position at this very point where we are now, but your stop loss might be at the bottom of this wave, and it is about 30% of downside potential. But the upside potential almost the same, and we have much more chances to hit higher targets. That's why I think this asset is worth your attention. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in